for the next live crypto technical analysis video that we have for you guys today is going to be GALA, and I'm going to hand it over to Crypto Poppy. He has it ready.
All right, we have GALA paired with the UST weekly time frame. Data is coming in from Bitfinex. Oh my gosh, I can't read. Yeah,
Bitfinex.
Oh
yeah,
my
right.
goodness, I should not have questioned myself. So we have GALA paired with UST weekly time frame. Data is coming in from Bitfinex. So you could see here, right? We could zoom out, adjust the charts, even though I feel like looking at this when it was listed, pumped, and then instantly dumped, I would almost want to argue that the SEC should probably look into that, but nevertheless, we'll ignore it. We shall ignore it.
How far does that one go back?
Let's take a look here. We have March 14th, 2022.
Okay.
So let's adjust the chart a little bit to most recent and relevant price action. So we have our swing high Fibonacci plotted on December 2nd, 2024. We have our swing low, it looks like at the bottom of this wick, October 6th, 2025. Then we just have it extended out. So just copy and paste from our last video of Matic. Look at GALA, looks exactly the same, right? We don't have too much price action. We're kind of range bound, even though it's hard to call this range bound from our swing low up to our swing high. Oh, Jesus. 2,107%. So that is definitely not a range. But to the naked eye, this looks like we're range bound, right? Mm-hmm. You could imagine the square being drawn here. If I could find the square drawing attachment right in here. Where's our rectangle? Is it in here with the Fibonacci?
Start with the trend line.
Is it with the trend line? Wow, why can't I find it? Oh, well, we don't have to draw it. But it just looks like, right, we could draw a square from here, down here, and down at the bottom. That looks range bound, even though it's a huge range. It doesn't look like it's a 2,000% range, but you could see here, we're at the bottom of our movement. We're at all-time lows on the Bitfinex chart. So what do we do at all-time lows? If you still have some liquidity left, not financial advice, this is the time to buy. You buy at all-time lows. This is when the market is scared, is when you shouldn't be scared. When the market is selling, you want to be the one buying. So this is not financial advice. This is an excellent opportunity to buy. But I would, if I was interested in GALA, which, forgive me, I'm not, I would look at different exchanges that it's listed on to get more data to really see where we're at. Are we at all-time lows or are we not on some charts? On the current Bitfinex chart, we're at all-time lows. We're creating those all-time lows. So you could see from here where we're at. We could draw a trend line, but it's pointless, right? We're not really going to come up and touch it, but I will now since I said it. So we'll draw the top of the trend line on February 26, 2024. Second touch point for the trend line will be here, December 2nd, 2024, and we just have it extended out to the right. So you could see here, give us a couple different areas to measure from current price action to our 236 fib level, roughly current price action to the 236. Once we start moving to the upside, is about 347% movement to the upside. From current price to the trend line is 600% movement to the upside. Then from current price action to our 618 is 909% movement to the upside. So you could see, again, just like our previous token we covered in the last video, we're at all-time lows for the chart. Very minimal downside potentially. We're already at 0.00 with about 1,000% movement to the upside, even 600% movement to the upside to the 618. So not financial advice, but potentially room to 6x your money. Amazing movement, amazing setup. GALA, off the top of my head, I think it's a gaming token.
You are correct. You are correct.
And that's off the top, off the rip. I don't give a crap about some of these tokens, but a great opportunity. If this is a token you've already dollar cost averaged in, we're at all-time lows. Beautiful time to dollar cost average, not financial advice, but this is when you want to be a majority of your percentage into the market. And then as we approach and start making 600% movements to the upside, you want to start getting a majority of your money out. Not financial advice once again, but everything looks good with GALA. But again, all eyes would be on Bitcoin over the altcoins that you're invested in. To be honest with you, if you're a popular, well-established token like GALA, I would have all of the attention on Bitcoin just to see where we're at. Are we going to continue to move to the upside, or are we going to start to build up some momentum and start to stall out towards the upside with Bitcoin so money could flow into altcoins? But that's all I have for GALA, my guy.
Let's give him a little history on GALA. Why not? 2019, GALA Games was founded by Eric Scheimeyer. He's the co-founder of Singa. I'm sure you guys heard of Singa if you guys are gamers, a big gaming creator. In 2020, the GALA token started being distributed through the GALA Games ecosystem. So the gamers, the people that were using the GALA gaming blockchain, got the token first. And then in September 2020, that's when it started officially trading publicly. The market cap somewhere between 220 million to 360 million. It's been around a while. Where did that chart start at on GALA?
2021, I
Okay,
believe.
2020.
Let me take a look, though.
Yeah. 2021 or 2022?
2022.
Okay, so, maybe 2 years, that 1 year and a half or year and so that we missed. So it could have been lower. Who knows, right? But
True.
anyways, yeah. So that was that for GALA. A lot of potential, just like Polygon, the one that we just looked at. All right. So that was that.